Yo, welcome back to my channel. This is another Juicebox video, and today I am here to present to you another hood classic. Yo, this hood classic is known as Subway Surfers. And also shout out to Sophia for commenting Free Fire. Unfortunately I won't be able to make the Free Fire video because Free Fire is an online battle royale shooter. I'm not sure if there's much I can talk about it, and the game is pretty popular as well. When I do find a time gap, I will make the video, but for now I'm gonna try and focus on the other comments and the other requests. And also a shout out to Tokito. This guy personally messaged me and he asked me to make a Subway Surfers video, and I did take your request, and here's your video, bro. I hope you enjoy it, and with that said, let's get into it. We start the game with a beautiful loading screen, what seems to be its 200th world tour. I think that this update is its anniversary. The nostalgia. Man, I remember I was just a kid. I remember that this boy used to be the coolest kid in my books. In fact, I used to have daydreams about running in the train tracks one day. Unfortunately, I was too scared to even go near the tracks. Of course, I was aware how dangerous it was, but I always thought it would be cool to have Subway Surfers in real life. With that said, let's start the game already. Bro, the nostalgia. Basically, what this game is about is you're just a teenage kid near a subway, right? So you're breaking the law by doing vandalism. So you get chased by this big guy and his small dog. So you gotta run away in the train tracks. And anything you see in this video, don't try it in real life. Trust me, the train tracks are not a joke. Oh man. Hey yo. 2863. Comment down if you have a higher score than that. So, another feature that I used to like in this game was the outfit system. Mind the drip, mind the drip. He kinda reminds me of one of them YNs. Solid. Since this is the last part of the video, let's see how long I can last. Juicebox editor. Play the drill remix of the theme song for Subway Surfers.
Damn, JB, you made this?
Dang it, I was supposed to roll, but then I swiped to the right instead. Ah man, that was a very silly mistake. But yeah, this is Subway Surfers. I hope that the new generation will feel the same nostalgia that I felt, because I grew up playing this game. I would just like to thank everybody that subscribed to my channel and everybody that liked and comments. I really appreciate everybody. I read all my comments and I like all my comments as well. So if you would like to have my attention, feel free to comment down below. And also, my channel Juicebox808 is on 99 subscribers. Let's go! If you're a new viewer viewing my channel, please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button. I will pin you as the 100th subscriber, but make sure that you comment down that you're the 100th subscriber. So with that said, take care, only stay righteous. You guys have been an audience. I'm out.